Let's do a quick drive around. I'm not the best videographer, as you can tell. The car is really quiet. Can't hear anything. Leaf springs, new shocks, and it rides like a car. It doesn't ride like an SUV. Steering is really tight, and we have the new steering box on there, and the new BJ steering, I don't know what they call it. Arm. It's not really an arm. It goes from the steering wheel to the box. It's metal, all solid with U-joint type joints instead of the rag cut up pieces of rubber that Jeep used. So steering is really tight. There's no play in the wheel. I mean, you drive a lot of these older cars, they got a lot of play. Tight steering. Of course, as I said on my other video, new tie rod ends, new steering stabilizer. The whole front end was rebuilt, bearings, that type of thing. And we just kind of driving around my little neighborhood. It's a quiet car. New mirror, the visors were recovered. I challenge you to find a nicer car. You can find a car that's maybe been in a garage for 40 years and only has 26,000 miles. Think about that car. Yeah, it's been sitting in the garage, and let's assume it was air conditioned and heated. You still have the rubber that's going to all decay. Your seals have not been used, so they're kind of warped or whatever you want to call it. Your rear main seal, your front seal, your axle seals, your transfer case seals, all those haven't been used, and they've been sitting for 10 years, and they become formed up in one condition, and then you're going to have significant leaks. All these cars leak, but you're going to have significant leak. And then your air conditioning, think about a 40-year-old air conditioning. People say, oh, it just needs a charger Freon. Well, good luck. Good luck on that. It doesn't need a charger Freon. It needs a whole new air conditioning system. Anyway, an old low-mileage car that's just been sitting in the garage, unless you're handy and you've got a mechanic on call, you're going to have problems. Think about your water pump's just been sitting there. And if it doesn't have fuel injection, think about the carburetor. And your radiator probably is all crapped out. So, I don't know. Most of these components here are new. I'll compare it to any car on the market. You find me one that's better. The only one that may be better is the Wagoneer one, where he's done the same thing that I have done. New interior, Jasper motor, new axle seals, that type of thing. But he gets a lot more money for them. So I'm a hobbyist. I'm retired. I enjoy working on these cars. It's been fun. My son talked me into it. And like I said, this is number 6. And probably going to do one more after this. It takes me about 2 years to do it. But it's a lot of fun. Challenge. Give you a close up of that steering wheel there. All right. Well, look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.